This video covers the steps for installing Graco's Group 2-3 high-back booster seats, Junior Maxi, Logico L and Assure. Using Graco's Junior Maxi, the installation method demonstrated in this video covers all these car seats. Before installing your car seat, please refer to the car seat instruction manual and your vehicle manual. When fitting the car seat using the vehicle belt. First, place the shoulder belt through the red belt guide on the headrest. When your child is seated, pull the seat belt across your child's body, making sure that both the lap and shoulder belts pass under the armrest on the buckle side. Then buckle in. On the non-buckle side, only the lap belt passes under the armrest. Finally, ensure there are no twists in the belts and make sure the lap belt rests low on the pelvis, touching your child's legs. Tighten off any seatbelt slack. We hope this installation video has been helpful. Remember to always refer to your car seat instruction manual and vehicle manual before installing your car seat.